So hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Homemade Fridays. This week we're gonna do a little Instapot cooking. If you're not familiar with what Instapot is, an Instapot is basically a electric pressure cooker. So the nice part is a lot of times you can set up a timer on this. Works great when you got a busy day, or maybe you got kids and activities. And want to come home to a hot meal, you can just dump all your items in there just like a crock pot, have this thing kick in and cook stuff. We have found using one of these things really useful when doing cooking and trying to speed things up, making baked potatoes or mashed potatoes. It really speeds up the process. Today we're gonna make a pretty popular recipe for Creamy Ziti. Creamy Ziti is kind of I guess a creamy pasta. I don't know how else you describe it, but a pretty popular item out there. So what do you think?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Make it again?
It looks gross, but it's really yummy.